Hey guys, I'm really glad to be back to YouTube. Today we're gonna be talking about some tips that really worked for me and helped me to start speaking English. In my country, we study and learn English from kindergarten to university, see from the lower level kindergarten to the higher level university, almost 16-17 years. But after 16-17 years of education and learning, we are unable to understand non-native speakers or native speakers and speak English well. So what is the problem? I was one of those students who could learn English hardly. So in my opinion, the first problem is that we always start learning English from grammar, sometimes even from the most complex grammar, instead of expanding our vocabulary. I still remember my teacher explaining me about present simple and past simple, but I couldn't understand her. No wonder that time my English vocabulary was limited with the words around 15 or 20 words. The most helpful sites for me were BBC Learning English and 6 Minutes English. The first tip that helped me so much was that every single day I listened to different dialogues from the sites and read or just wrote them down on my copybook. It helped me to develop my listening skills and look up new words, phrases, idioms. Never learn words separately. I remember when I started learning English, I used to choose a list of words that begins with the letter A and just learn them, but you never should do it. English words are unpredictable. You should put them in context and figure out what the words mean. For example, some English words might sound and look similar to a native language, but actually have quite different meanings. That's why be always curious to check them in your dictionary. Finally, the next step is to practice and practice. Look for a native speaker or a speaking partner to develop your speaking ability. You might say, where can I find a native speaker or a speaking partner? I don't even live in a country where English is a second language. But believe me, the internet has made it quite easy to find a native speaker or a speaking partner within an hour or even some minutes. The best apps that can help you to develop speaking ability are Tandem and Hello Talk. On Tandem, you can join live parties and practice your English with native speakers or learners from around the world. Hello Talk also lets you share your posts or share your opinion and to find native speaker or learners for different language skills. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and share your opinion, leave comments. What tips really helped you to develop your speaking ability?